Students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about questions and answers of chapter 5, that is acids, bases and salts. So first question is, state differences between acids and bases. For this question, you have to draw two columns. In first column, you have to write all the points for acid. In second column, you have to write all the points for base. So first point for acid is, acids are sour to taste. For base, bases are bitter to taste. Now second point for acid is acids turns blue litmus red. For base, bases do not change the color of blue litmus. Now third point for acid, acids do not change the color of red litmus. For base, bases turn red litmus blue. Now question number 2. Ammonia is found in many household products such as window cleaners. It turns red litmus blue. What is its nature? Answer. Ammonia turns red litmus to blue, so it is basic in nature. Now question number 3. Name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. What is the use of this solution? Answer. Litmus is extracted from lichens. It has a mauve or purple color in distilled water. Now uses of this. When added to an acid solution, it turns red, and when added to a basic solution, it turns blue. So it is used to test the acidic or basic nature of solution. Now question number 4. Is the distilled water acidic or basic or neutral? How would you verify it? Answer. Distilled water is neutral in nature. We can verify it by litmus test. Distilled water does not change the color of either red or blue litmus. Now question number 5. Describe the process of neutralization with the help of an example. So answer. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. Now step 1 for neutralization reaction. Fill 1/4 of a test tube with dilute hydrochloric acid. Note down its color. Now step 2. Note down the color of phenolphthalein solution and add 2 to 3 drops of the indicator to the acid. Now step 3. Now shake the test tube gently. Now step 4. Add to the acidic solution a drop of sodium hydroxide solution by a dropper. Stir the tube gently. Continue adding the sodium hydroxide solution, drop by drop, while stirring till the pink color just appears. Now step 5. Now add one more drop of dilute hydrochloric acid. The solution again becomes colorless. Now the effect of hydrochloric acid is neutralized by the base sodium hydroxide. Now this is the example for neutralization reaction. Hydrochloric acid or HCl plus sodium hydroxide or NaOH, it gives sodium chloride or NaCl plus water or H2O. Now question number 6. Mark true if the statement is true and false if it is false. First statement is nitric acid turns red litmus blue. This statement is false. Next statement, sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus red. This statement is false. Next statement, sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralize each other and form salt and water. This statement is true. Next statement, indicator is a substance which shows different colors in acidic and basic solutions. This statement is true. Now next statement, tooth decay is caused by the presence of a base. This statement is false. Now question number 7. Dorji has a few bottles of soft drink in his restaurant, but unfortunately, these are not labeled. He has to serve the drinks on the demand of customers. One customer wants acidic drink, another wants basic, and third one wants neutral drink. How will Dorji decide which drink is to be served to whom? Answer. Dorji can use litmus test on these drinks. Just drop few drops of drink on litmus paper and will decide according to the following results. First result is, if it turns blue, drink is basic. Second result, if it turns red, drink is acidic. Now third result, if it turns green, drink is neutral. Now question number 8. Explain why. First question, an antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. Answer, When we take an antacid tablet, it neutralizes the effect of excessive acid released in the stomach. Antacid tablet consists of a base like milk of magnesia. Now second question, calamine solution is applied on the skin when an ant bites. Answer, the effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing calamine solution containing zinc carbonate. Calamine solution is a very weak base and it causes no harm to the skin. Now, third question. Factory waste is neutralized before disposing it into the water bodies. Answer. The waste of factories contains acids. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acids will kill aquatic organisms. So that the factory wastes are therefore neutralized by adding basic substances. Now question number 9. Three liquids are given to you. One is hydrochloric acid, another is sodium hydroxide, and third is a sugar solution. How will you identify them? You have only a turmeric indicator. Answer. Turmeric is yellow in color. When a base is added to it, the solution turns into red or pink color. However, turmeric remains yellow when an acid or neutral solution is added to it. We shall perform the following steps to identify the solution is base, acid or neutral. First step. First of all, take 2 drops of each solution in 3 test tubes. Add turmeric indicator to each of the solutions. The solution which turns red in color is sodium hydroxide solution. Next step. Now there are 2 solutions which does not change the color of the turmeric powder. Next step, select one of these solution and add to the mixture of sodium hydroxide and turmeric indicator which is red in color. If it is hydrochloric acid solution, it will neutralize the sodium hydroxide present in it and will turn the red color to yellow in color. Next step, if the selected solution happens to be sugar solution, then the red color of the mixture of sodium hydroxide and turmeric indicator will not change and will remain as red. Then the solution is a sugar solution. Now question number 10. Blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution. It remains blue. What is the nature of the solution? Explain. Answer. Blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution. It remains blue. Then the solution is either basic or neutral. If the solution is basic, then it does not cause the effect of the blue litmus paper. It means it remains blue only. If the solution is neutralized, the color of litmus paper will not change. Now question number 11. Consider the following statements. First statement, both acids and bases change color of all indicators. Second statement, if an indicator gives a color change with an acid, it does not give a change with a base. Third statement, if an indicator changes color with a base, it does not change color with an acid. Now fourth statement, change of color in an acid and a base depends on the type of indicator. Now question is, which of these statements are correct? First option, all 4. Second option, A and D. Third option, B and C. Fourth option, only D. Answer will be only D. That's it.